This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade pudding from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have a pinch of salt ready. Make sure your saucepan is clean and your whisk is at hand. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, creamy dessert. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt until well blended. This prevents lumps later. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of cold milk while continuously whisking. This gradual addition helps create a smooth base. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform with no visible clumps. It's time to cook our pudding. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Stir constantly with your whisk, scraping the bottom and sides to prevent sticking. Continue cooking until the mixture thickens and comes to a gentle boil. Let it boil for about 1 minute, still stirring. Then, remove the saucepan from the heat and immediately stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Almost there, carefully pour the warm pudding into your chosen serving dishes. To prevent ace skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. This keeps it wonderfully smooth. Now, place the dishes in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours or until firm. Serve it cold and enjoy your delightful homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.